Welcome back to Bake Sip Chat. I'm Carolyn.
I'm Kim.
What are we gonna make today?
Today we are making lemon bars.
I'm so excited.
This is an exciting recipe because it's gonna be so delicious. We are gonna do our crust first, okay? And this recipe, all you need is a food processor.
Nice.
So we're gonna add a cup of flour into the food processor. I'm not gonna make a mess. I'm not gonna make a mess. I'm not gonna make a mess.
Yeah. You did a great job.
Looky there.
I'm proud of you.
So next we're gonna add a fourth of a cup of sugar to our crust mixture, Carolyn.
All right.
You got this, girl. Awesome. And then next we're gonna add a half of a cup of cold butter.
Cold butter.
Cubed and divided.
Okay.
Yep. Salted.
Salted
Would
always
be preferable.
Or big hands.
And I have to give a special shout out to Carolyn, who's wearing this awesome shark apron. Look at her.
I'm Mama Shark right now.
I love it.
Do.
She made it. Now you're gonna want to pulse this till it resembles coarse crumbs.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
Hit it.
Perfect.
Pretty darn good.
Thinking so.
That took no time at all.
That is some coarse crumbs. We are gonna put this in our pan. So an 8-inch pan is ideal for this. I've kind of got a little odd shaped pan, but it's about 8 inches. You can grease it or you can use parchment paper. I'm just gonna grease mine because I'm lazy today. Now we're just gonna go in the pan here. And then we're gonna firmly pack this down.
Make a nice firm crust.
So
I feel weird about dough in my hands, which is odd for baking. I know, sensitive.
So,
Oh no.
no such thing. This crust is delish. It's nice and kind of crispy.
Butter, sugar, and flour, you can never go wrong. It's always gonna taste good.
How am I looking? Do I need to pack it in anywhere?
I think you're good. Maybe right there. A little thin.
Oh no.
I think you're looking good.
Next, we're going to start our filling.
Perfect. Should we set this aside or do we bake this?
We are gonna
Ahead of
bake
time?
this, yes.
Okay.
Let's get this in the oven at 350 degrees for about 14 to 16 minutes.
Okay, just till it's a light golden brown?
Yep, a lightly golden brown, and then we're gonna take it out and cool it.
And then pour the filling on top?
Yeah.
Okay. You want me to put it in?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right.
Here we go. All right, on step 2.
Filling!
Filling!
What do we throw in first?
We're gonna throw in 4 ounces of cream cheese.
Is it softened?
It is room temperature.
Okay.
And just dice it up into little cubes.
Whack it in.
This filling calls for 1.5 cups of sugar, but for right now, we're just gonna add half of a cup.
So I will put that in.
And then we're going to pulse this to combine. Next, we're gonna add the remaining 1 cup of sugar.
Okay. I can do that.
And then I'm gonna go in with 1/4 of a cup of flour.
Just a little bit.
And then I'll do the 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda.
Baking what?
Baking soda.
I like the way you
Little turd.
say soda.
I'm like, oh God, did I say it wrong? You got me, girl. All right, I'll let you do the 2 teaspoons of lemon zest.
2 teaspoons of lemon zest. All right, here we go. Sprinkle those in. Come here. Just
Lid is going on.
feels natural.
We're gonna pulse this again to combine.
Okay.
Perfect. Look at that.
Check.
Okay, next we're going to add our 1/2 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice.
Freshly squeezed.
Yes.
Okay.
You want me to do it?
Yes.
I'll let you do the eggs.
Mine always tends to run down the sides of things like that.
Yeah.
Except mine's out here. And is
All
all
right.
4 of them?
All 4 eggs.
Okay.
Going in. Okay, now we're gonna just pulse this again to combine.
Easy peasy. Lemon bar squeezy.
Oh,
Hey.
nice pun.
Oh, thanks.
Nice pun. Done.
Yay.
Nice and juicy and lemony.
Oh, that's velvety. I like that.
Okay, so our crust is out of the oven, slightly cooled,
Perfect.
lightly golden brown.
Perfect
edges.
golden brown. Love
So
it.
now all we're gonna do is pour our filling in.
Squirrely. Look at that. Oh my
And this like comes to the top of the pan.
god. Oh my god. I could just eat that with a spoon.
Right?
Yeah. Look at that.
And then we're just gonna put this back in the oven for about 35 to 40 minutes.
Okay.
And
How will
then-
you know when it's done?
So you want the sides to be set and the middle a little jiggly. Jiggly.
I know what that's like.
And then you're
That's
gonna
right.
definitely want to let it cool for a couple hours after you take it out of the oven.
Okay.
So in we go. So we've taken our bars out of the oven and we've let them cool for a couple of hours. You can refrigerate them too if you need them ASAP to take to a party. So now we are going to dust them.
Dust them with some powdered sugar.
Dust them with some powdered sugar. A little more powdered sugar won't hurt.
No, you want a nice coating on there.
And then what we're gonna do extra special is put a little dollop of whipped cream.
Just a dollop?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go ahead and put a
Want me to
dollop
grab
of
one?
whipped cream on one
All right.
since we have to taste test it. How cool is that?
That is super cute. That is going to be pretty darn tasty. The purist and the fancy.
That's how we roll.
That is how we roll.
This is how we roll, you guys.
Ready to try them? I'm really ready to try them.
I think we should try this
The fancy one.
here. Get some whipped cream, girl.
All right, I got it.
Go in. You gotta go in from the side. You
I am on
goober.
the side.
What? Hold on, I'll take the corner.
Oh, sure. Tell me about the side, you take the
Oh,
corner.
look at that.
I'm
A little bit
excited.
of crust, a little bit of filling, a little bit of whipped cream.
That's a good bite.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I like the whipped cream. I wasn't sure. Oh, it's good.
Oh.
That's the right idea. I didn't know how that could be bad.
You guys, you gotta bake these.
They're so good. They're nice and rich.
Mm-hmm.
That fresh lemon juice, man,
Makes a difference.
makes a big difference. Woo. Zingy.
You guys, thank you for watching another episode of Bake Sip Chat.
We'll see you again real soon.
Yeah,
Make these.
we'll be back.
Bye.
All right, all right, all right.
Okay, all right. None of those things.
Serious now. Take 3. I finally got a piece of the pie. Oh my God,
Won't
we're
put our
horrible.
face off.
So we've taken our lemon bars out of the oven and we've left it, I was smelling. What'd you say? Are you tooting?
No, I said, are you cheating?
Oh, I thought you said, are you tooting?
No.